If you like omelets, stick with me because you're gonna love this recipe. It's super easy and incredibly delicious. For starters, we'll add 2 eggs. Let's remove the egg yolks with the help of a bottle, and it's a great tip. If you have a hard time separating the yolks from the whites, you gotta try this method. Now let's add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and we'll just mix everything up. Let's whisk the egg whites until they look like this. Next, we're adding the egg yolks. And we'll just mix it. Let me know in the comments if you've ever seen this recipe before. I personally found it incredibly unique and super delicious. Let's add a tablespoon of butter and a drizzle of olive oil. And now we'll just add our mix to the pan. Check out how beautiful it is. This recipe surprised everyone here at home. And we'll just spread it with a spatula. Next, we'll let it cook for a few minutes. Once the side starts to unstick from the pan, we'll fold our omelet like this. This way, folks. Please keep in mind the stove has to be on low so we don't burn our omelet. And check this out, guys. It's a super easy recipe and we barely used anything other than eggs. Try this at home because I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Guys, I really hope you liked this video and made it with a lot of love. And if you did, don't forget to share it with all of your friends. Lots of love, and until the next recipe.